Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about these two gaming Linux distro, which is Bazzite and CachyOS. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Bazzite in 2025 is a Fedora Atomic Spine free-tuned for gaming with Stream, Lutres, and Proton pre-installed, plus strong drive support and system immortality for rock-solid stability. It's perfect for gamers who just want everything ready out of the box. The drawback is it may lag behind Arch-based distro in bleeding edge update. Talking about CachyOS, on the other hand, is an Arch-based distro designed for performance. It offers multiple kernels, including gaming optimized ones, along with fast package update, advanced CPU optimization, and an installer that makes Arch more accessible. However, the Rose release models require more maintenance and can sometimes break things. So in short, Bazzite is best for plug and play gaming stability, while CachyOS is ideal for tinkerers who want minimum speed and cutting-edge update. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more.